Today we have here with us Peter Karlsson, the managing director of the company AP&T, and he's in charge of Denmark and UK branches. Peter, can you tell us something more about your company? What do you do?
AP&T stands for automation, pressing and tooling. That means we have a key solution for all manufacturing industry and in metal forming, yes.
Today you talked to the attendees of the industrial forum about press hardening and the new methods that you develop of tools manufacturing. Can you tell something more about that?
That is, we call it press hardening, and press hardening is because we heat the plates up to 900 degrees, and then we take it into press, form it, and then we cool it down as fast as possible to get the hardness in the boron steel. That's the process, yes.
Is there a big difference in the complexity of the products? How complex products can you make from this technology?
Well, you can make a lot of complex parts, of course, because when you form it, the hardness in the plate is very low, because we have it in around 800 degrees when we form it. That means it's like butter, so we can form it. The only thing we have to worry about is the friction, of course, and because we use simulation a lot, we simulate many times to get the best as less friction as we want, and then to make the tools too hard to stay longer alive. Yes.
For which parts of the industry or which industries is the hot forming most suitable for?
The hot forming press hardening is at the moment only used, almost only used for automotive industry. Yes.
But do you see it can be used in the future somewhere else for aviatics or?
It can be done. Depends on the possibilities again to form and the cost for production lines. But I believe the need in automotive at the moment is very high, and the possibilities to produce production lines is critical.
Peter, thank you for your answers and sharing your knowledge with the attendees of the Industrial Forum here in Slovenia.